No, kidding. Anyway, here's a lineup for the main event, last one of the year, American Factory Stocks, Jerry Dodd Champions Night. And starting on the pole, won his heat race, the number 33 Cale Skillman out of Riverside. Outside him, the current point leader seeking his first ever championship out of Menifee, the 26 Kris Carnish. Second row on the inside from Inland Rigging, the number 88, the Polish boy out of Nuevo, Ethan Kintop. And outside him, second time here at Perris Auto Speedway, the 25, Albert Jurado. He's out of Riverside. Third row on the inside, the number 17 car. That's Austyn Jaramillo out of Winchester. And starting next to him from Reno Valley, the 3K of Nick Kelly. Go back to row number 4 on the inside. It's number 16 car. That is Peyton Griffin out of Buena Park. With her in that row, the number 12 from Lake Elsinore, it's Chicken Joe. In the fifth row, the 28 cars on the inside from Menifee, that's David Uraine, and outside him from Colton, the blue number 36 of Lanny Savage. The next to last row, that's row number 6 on the inside, the number 77 car, Joseph Pack out of Menifee, and with him in that row, the number 42 car from Canyon Lake, David Stites. In rounding out the field, the number 78 car, first time here out of Norco, that's Robbie Lamb. That's your lineup, the last PASSCAR American Factory Stock main event at Perris Auto Speedway this season. Now, some people in the stands may be saying, why is David Stites starting way back in 12th? The winner of the previous main event always starts in 12th place, and he won the last 4 main events in a row, actually, so that's why he is starting back near the back of the pack.
No smoke. Okay, car number 33, come on up on the pole.
Yeah, Stephen Fangmeyer just told Gillum, get out of there, go up, sit somewhere by yourself.
16.
And one more lap. How many of you guys think Kris Carnish is going to win his first ever championship after so many years of trying? He's starting on the outside of the front row. The Polish boy, Jurado, row number 3. It is Jaramillo and Kelly, row number 4. It is Griffin and Chicken Joe. Here we go. Out of turn number 4, the final PASSCAR Factory Stock main event of the year takes the green flag. And it's Carnish leading him into turn number 1. Here comes Jurado, the new guy. Looks so good last time. His first time out, blows by Skillman into second. Skillman third, Jaramillo fourth. Fifth spot, it's Kintop. 1 lap down this time by 19 to go. Stites is stuck at the back with cars racing side by side right in front of him. Out front, Carnish about a quarter straightaway lead over Jurado. It's about the same distance back from Jurado to the third place car of Skillman. 2 in the books, 18 to go. Kintop running in 5th, being challenged right now by Peyton Griffin. And all of a sudden, Griffin's car, is that what popped when she went by? Oh, we heard that pop as she went by, and she stops on the back straightaway right in front of the Living Waters Hospice sign, along with the Vista Paint sign and the Tire Choice Auto Service Center sign. That brings out a yellow flag. So tough break for the soccer goalie from Golden West College, as she's going to be the first car out of the final Factory Stock main event of the year. But there's some methane going off in that 26 car inside the cockpit right now. It's better than have a metal ball rolling around the back, though.
Green flag.
Green flag. Carnish, your leader. Jurado running second. Skillman third. 4th spot, Jaramillo. 5th is Kelly. 6th, Uraine. 7th, Stites. 8th, it is Savage. 9th spot, Pack. 10th spot, Lamb. 11th, it is Kintop. And 12th, Chicken Joe. Real good restart for the leader, Kris Carnish. He puts 4 in the books, 20% of the way through the race. Jaramillo looking at the inside of the 75 car running second. Here comes Stites. Stites from 12th up to 5th. Now he's starting to motor. He's going to the inside of Kelly, going into turn number 3. Move that 42 Camaro up to 4th. Nearly a half straightaway lead for Kris Carnish. Stites now closing in on Jaramillo. We need the people standing along the chain link fence move back and take a seat in the grandstands. Down in the front straightaway, down toward the turn 1 end of the main grandstands. You guys are standing along the chain link fence. You got to move back and take a seat in the grandstands now, please. ¿Dónde está, amigo? Stites up to 3rd. Now he's trying to chase down Jurado. Problems for Uraine, headed back to the pit area. Look at the lead Carnish has. Sometime we got to talk to Jurado, that guy running in 2nd. Second time here, and he looks good again. But he gets passed by David Stites. And he comes right back on the outside of Stites. But Stites going to pull him down the back straightaway. Effectively, to steal the championship, Stites has to finish well in front of Carnish. He can pass him, but Carnish finishes 2nd. He's still the champion. Watch our starter, Steve Russell, the next time by. He's going to show the drivers the cross flags. That tells them they're halfway through the race.
Halfway, guys.
Now Jurado being challenged by Jaramillo. Sounds like a boxing match. 5th spot is Nick Kelly, the 3K, Skillman 6th, Sabbath 7th, Kintop 8th. 9th Pack, 10th Lamb, 11th it's Joe. And looks like Lamb with more problems headed back toward the pit area. Stites is reeling in the leader. Same going out for 3rd as Jaramillo closing in on Jurado. And Lamb smoking as he gets back to the pit area. And Stephen Fangmeyer says that car smells like it blew up, referring to the Lamb car. Once he gets it stopped with a lot of smoke or steam pouring off that car in the pits. Meanwhile, back on the racetrack, Carnish about to put a lap on Chicken Joe, and he's got David Stites right behind him. Stites trails him into the corner. They're right behind Chicken Joe. Don't crash, dudes. Don't crash. Contact between Stites and Carnish.
Let him go.
Yeah, let him go. And Stites gets by. Yeah, Carnish can let him go. He still wins the championship. Carnish still trying to get by Chicken Joe. Think he figured out what we're saying from up here. Let him go. You led the point championship all year long.
Carnish started going away.
Yeah, his 2nd place car is having some issues with 6 laps remaining. Five laps to go in the final American Factory Stock main event of the year. Carnish finally got by Chicken Joe. Stites, that's your leader, the 42 car. Full straightaway in front of the 2nd place, number 26. Oh, don't get mixed up with all the lappers. Now Carnish gets past 2 more lap cars. Jurado starting to close on him. Jaramillo right behind Jurado. And then the 3K car, that's second, third, fourth, and fifth. 77-36, 12, they're a lap down.
Styrofoam wheel cover on the front straightaway.
That's fine.
White flag the next time by. Start finish line, you see a styrofoam mud plug came off one of the cars. And it came off Stites. It's made of styrofoam. It's not going to hurt anything. Here comes the last lap flag. 1 to go for David Stites, trying to win. His 7th of the year in 8 starts. And his 5th in a row. Actually 6 in a row, I believe. Carnish takes the white flag. 1 lap away from the championship. Checkered flag going to come down this time by the defending series champion David Stites. Wins it going away on DODD Champions Night. Second spot, and finally for the championship at Perris Auto Speedway, it goes to Kris Carnish. Third is Jurado. Fourth spot, Nick Kelly. Fifth spot is the 17 Jaramillo. I think it's Kintop in 6th. And I'm lost after that. But David Stites bags another win here at the Pass this year, and Kris Carnish, after years of trying, finally wins a championship. That's going to be an interesting interview if you've seen Kris on the mic before. He can hear you. Make some noise for David Stites.
Let's go! Let's go!
David, you came from the back and absolutely put on a driving clinic. Why don't you take us through some of the things that were going through your mind?
Well, you know, here comes Kris. He'll always be second in my book, but I'm proud of him. He's had a hell of a year. Been consistent, top 3 every single race. I missed the first race, so started with such a huge deficit, but couldn't be happier for the guy. Couldn't happen to a better guy. So I'm excited to pass the crown to him, and I'll work on it next year. My heart goes out tonight. My grandpa passed last week. PASSCAR member. He came to every single race that he could. Cancer got him. Tell your friends and family you love them every single time you talk to them, guys. So got to thank my sponsors, Super Zings, Melody Thai Cuisine, Bomb Thai Food, and Menifee. If you haven't tried it, try it. I ate it before the race. That's probably why I won. Well & Sons Racing, Larry here sets up the car, and it couldn't be better every single race. So, yeah.
And did I see earlier that you guys are expecting?
Yeah, so we haven't officially, I guess we've, told a few people here and there, but yeah, we got a baby coming. So I love you, Holland, my beautiful wife. My kids are here. Sam, Tyler, I'm not forgetting you guys this time. I love you guys. The Super Zings are here. My dad's here. Betsy's here. Kris, my brother's here. Derek's here with Melody Thai. I got the whole crew here tonight. The Uraines are here. I appreciate you guys. You guys are always here. Heck of a year. Heck of a year.
Well, it certainly seems like it. Quite a few wins, and it may not be announced official, but it's PASSCAR official, and that's like written in stone.
Yeah. I'm good with that. We took some pictures tonight, so it's fun. It's exciting. We got a baby coming in about 7 months, so but she's not going to be coming on a race night. I've already talked to my wife about that. She's got to hold it in until a Sunday maybe. So.
Wife, that's like a rule. No babies on race nights, okay?
No babies.
Hold it in, please. Thank you.
Yeah.
Congratulations, David.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Well, Scott, they exchanged a couple words that we're not going to repeat. Kris, after quite a few efforts, quite a few years, you were able to get it done, sir. Congratulations.
Thanks, Steven. Yeah, 10 years in this class, and oh man, holy cow, it's come a long way up and down, and finally, I'm stressing out. I'm really.
The work is done, Kris. There's nothing to stress about anymore.
Yeah, but still, I have so many things to really say thanks to. I mean, they get Larry Well, who works on all of our cars, Wilson Racing, Prestige Golf Cars, helped me out. Luke's Transmission for building a nice transmission for all of our cars out here. Harley's Custom Cycle Works and Precision Engine, who built this motor for me. I got help. James coming down and helped me. Nick, who always helps me. DD West, who did the wrap on the car. There's just too many people to list, and just without all these people. Performance Carbs and Speed, who helped me with rebuilding the carburetor this off season, and yeah, just a laundry list. I got my half my work here is with me, yelling and screaming at me.
Is that a normal occurrence, yelling and screaming at you?
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
And lastly, I gotta say one thing is. I know back on Father's Day I was out here and won that race and everything else. Well,
all right, take your time. Take your time. All right.
My dad's actually here in the stands tonight too. So,
How's your dad? Kris, how's your dad doing?
he's doing good. So it's just I'm happy that he's still here. So I'm happy he's able to come out here and see this.
Well, Kris, is definitely well-deserved, and been a long time coming for you. The biggest thing, one of the best things that this sport has to deliver to any one of us is the camaraderie between everybody in the pits, the opportunity for friends and family to join you in your highs and your lows. They pick you up when you're down, and celebrate and drink some beers when it all goes right.
Yeah, and then there's other guys in the pits, like Chuck Becker, Evan Sennett. There's a laundry list of other guys down in the pits. Between Luke Dodd. I hate to say, I have to admit, even you years ago, even though you gave me crap, you still helped me out here and there.
It was encouragement, Kris.
Yeah, that's what you want to say. And then lastly, the other one too is Mr. Gillum, who's usually down here talking to us. It was good to see
more encouragement from him, I'm sure.
No, more throwing pranks on me when he raced against me, but it was glad to see him out here tonight too.
Congratulations, sir, and it's well deserved. Good job.
Thank you.
To be spread out through each class in memory of Jerry Dodd here on Jerry Dodd Champions Night. Also, thank you to Mike and Tracy Hickson. They have donated $1,000 to the winner of the Superstock main event, and that's in the name of their daughter Heather, who has been fighting cancer for the past few years, and we thank them for doing that. Bringing up two grandsons, and his promoter Don Kazarian says hopefully we'll see those grandsons racing on the same track where their grandpa won a couple championships and was the driver of the first decade, if I remember right. So thank you to the Hicksons and to the Dodds.